Okay, guys, back here in a Saturn Vue, a 2009 with 172,000 miles. This is one of the last years of the Saturn and the last Saturn Vue that they did. This became the Chevy Captiva after Saturn went away. These are actually pretty good SUVs. This was Saturn's best effort. And man, this thing purrs. It's, I kind of wish it was a top of the line model. Someone's been driving this one this morning. It's already got warm heat. This one's going to draw some attention because it is freaking clean. These sell well. I have a buddy that just sold one of these with similar miles for $6,900. Yes. $6,900. So they're pretty good selling little SUV. And this thing is not bad. This one is pretty darn nice. Pretty clean. Feels good and tight. Dude, I like this. I've never driven one of these. I wish it, hell, if it had leather and heated seats, I would freaking have one of these to drive in a heartbeat. This thing's not bad. This is on the very front line. I think it's the 9th car going through out of almost 600 cars today. So I wanted to get a drive in here real quick because it's going to go pretty soon. God, that sun is so bad. The guy in front of me can't see at all. Sorry, y'all. Once you get a little further to the tree line, you can get out of that sun. All right. Let's see how she does here. Oh, wow. Little 2.4. Holy cow. Gobs of power. God, I mean, really? For 2.4 4-cylinder, shoot, this thing's got power for days. Get up here to our little walk around spot. Man, got good heat. Good grief. About run you out of here. Uh-oh, I can't get out now. And I say there's always a damn catch. Oh. Well, the doors were locked, but I guess it won't let you out without hitting the switch first. I like the ones that automatically open just when you pull the handle. Okay. Alright, y'all remember this now. Now this is a little gem. Front tires, gonna need to replace on them. They're matching Coopers all the way around. But the previous owner did not rotate them very often. Okay, can't get under the hood. Pause. Alright. Good smells under here. Good smells. Everything looks good there. I don't see any milk climbing the stick. Let's see what we got right here. I got a cap that won't come off. Oh yeah, we're in good shape there. Everything looking good. Coolant's looking proper. Headlights aren't in bad shape. I mean, this is a clean little rig. Got a little squeaky. Even got fog lights. Man, it's a shame they didn't rotate those Cooper tires because the ones in the back look damn new. Let's see what the back. Got the original mats, though dirty. Not bad. Had a dog. Fantastic. Yeah, this thing's not bad at all. This is a pretty clean rig right here. Pretty clean rig. 2009 Saturn Vue XE. Yeah, I'm impressed. Not bad. Probably will bring a lot of money, but we shall see. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.